So one of the key nutrients that sets blending apart from juicing is that of fiber. Because of the fact that when you're blending fruits and vegetables, you're leaving everything in the mix, the skin, the pulp, everything. One of the things we have to remember is that fiber in and of itself is a nutrient. It's kind of like a super nutrient. Not only does fiber play a key role within blood sugar regulation, as well as with weight management by helping people feel more satisfied when they eat, it also plays a critical role within gut health. Fiber is a prebiotic, meaning that it's what the good bacteria that's in our gut, the probiotics, it's what they feed off of. So without fiber, the health of our gut lining can diminish or weaken over time. This is giving you an image of inside of your colon. With the image on the left, as you eat more fiber, as you get more fiber into the diet, it's going to feed those healthy microorganisms to help give a nice thick mucosal lining of the large intestine, and that's going to help not only from a digestive standpoint, but it also helps to protect you against pathogens and infections. If you look at the diagram on the right, that is an example of a gut lining that's just totally damaged and it's getting torn up every which way by those pathogens and infections. And for many people, if you're trying to reduce infection, reduce inflammation, there's definitely a case for fiber here. Another thing that we do know is that most Americans not getting enough fiber in our diets, which are, by the way, anywhere from about 25 to up to about 40 grams of fiber needed daily. Just 7% of adults meet fiber recommendations, raising risk of chronic diseases. That's huge. That's less than 10%, and inadequate intakes have been called a public health concern. So folks, when you think about that, the need for fiber, less than 10% of the US population is getting enough fiber daily, it begins to build perhaps more of a case for consuming juices via means of blending. So while you might be able to get a more concentrated amount of certain nutrients from juicing, the fact of the matter is making blended juices will probably have the greatest benefit for your gut health over the long term, which will then impact so many other areas of your overall health. Now make sure to check out our description below if you want to watch the full video that we did on this topic, and if you want to take a look at 9 easy juice recipes that you can start incorporating into your weekly routine, such as our golden beetroot juice or this green kiwi celery juice, then click on these videos that you see here in the top right to take a look at those, and we'll see you in the next video.